Good guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I posted finalized any screenshot on the community on YouTube a few hours ago, and I promised to release a video showing all of my finalized few of my finalized AdSense accounts, both the one from clients that comes from YouTube for partnership and others from my own. I have over 20 AdSense accounts I am working on currently, from partnership to personal accounts. So this month I was able to make over 170 thousand US dollars on Google AdSense. So I'm going to show you a few of the AdSense screenshots, why I'll still declare that there's still room for partnership. I can still take more accounts and work on them. So first things first, this is an account we started late. So this account we're able to make 1,257 US dollar. I'm going to refresh so you can see this is actually real. We made 1,257 US dollars. So this is one of the accounts. I'm going to switch to other account. Also, I have countless of accounts here which I'm not going to let you see. This is another account. So here's another account I worked on this account. Also, this is actually very new account, so I don't just bulk load from the beginning. I start slowly, I breed accounts. So this account also, we're able to make 1,133 32 US dollars. So starting this month we'll be going higher, up to like 4,000 to 5,000 US dollar on each of these accounts that are still very new. So this account is also new, so I was able to make 1,132 US dollar. One of these best accounts. These are countless account I have here, so I'm not going to let you see it because I'm trying to protect some stuffs. So I'm going to switch over. Okay, let me reload this also so you can see this is actually real. It is so real. Reload. So this is 1,132 US dollar. So I'm going to switch to other accounts I worked on. So this account I made over 100,000 US dollar on this account. Last month we were able to make, you remember this account, the $2,000 account. So this is it. We're able to make over 100,000 US dollar, and also on various accounts I will not be showing. Yeah, in this screenshot we made a lot of money here. So this is to let you know we still accept partnership on this channel, so you can bring your account for partnership, while I send you my partnership terms, and then we can negotiate to work better. Also, if you want to get my course, it is pretty available and it is also very cheap. It's very cheap. My method is Facebook arbitrage, and I also have various means of sources I get traffic from. Not only Facebook. Facebook is just old method I still use, but that's not my main traffic method. My main traffic method is very secret for my students. So if you want to be part of my students, kindly hit me up on WhatsApp, and then we can get started to work. So for now, if this is your first time getting to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, and do drop a comment or a like, and let me know what you would like to learn on this channel. So for now, I will say peace, and stay tuned. I'll be releasing few free tips very soon on how to make little dollars on AdSense. With these free tips, we'll be able to make at least $200 to $500 monthly with my free tip. So for now, goodbye.